So I recruited Nate from Jayco to tell us about this one. This is the 172DB. And what is the big feature on this one, Nate? Why is this one so special?
Yeah, so John, this is a really unique floor plan to our lineup. This is a new floor plan in our lineup for the 2026 model. What's really interesting about this one, it being 17-foot box, just under, a little over 22 feet, I'm sorry, to have a double over double bunk. What that means is these beds are double sleepers. At Jayco, all of our double bunks are going to be rated for 600 pounds.
Still 600 pounds, because you'll see bunks this size in a lot of brands, and they hold 200 pounds. It's like, that's great for the kids, but what if you got your friends over,
Correct.
man?
Yep, 600 pounds, all real hardwood here. One other thing I really think that separates this floor plan from anything else out there is going to be this awesome L-shaped sofa and table. And again, a floor plan that is small like this, we really have to maximize space and utilize every square inch. So this is one thing that we've designed. We went to and designed it with a removable table.
Are you just trying to show us how strong you are?
Yeah, it's not there, but we're going to work on it. This table can be moved outside. You can use it for a multi-purpose table. But that still gives us, plenty of room to sit here and have a conversation with friends that we met at the campground, or if you want to lounge and read a book, or if you want to watch TV or hang out and look out the window. The possibilities are endless with this L-shaped.
We're not going to pretend it's a massive camper, but that creates a lot of walkability here when you remove that table. So you can certainly use that table for when you're dining or playing cards, but you can remove the table just to create a lot more, just feels a lot more open in here, even with no slide.
Correct.
And over on this side?
So over here, we're going to highlight the 8,000 BTU air conditioner. A lot of folks think they need the roof-mounted AC, and the fact of the matter is, in something this size, this AC is going to handle everything that you're going to need.
Take it from me. I've got one the same size, does just fine, and with a side-mounted AC.
Yeah, and then me being a little bit taller, I don't have to worry about that AC hanging down and taking another 4 inches of my headroom space in this trailer. So big benefit, side mount AC. I love it. I think it looks awesome, and it still gives me a clean roof line inside of my trailer.
So what's another big highlight of this?
So again, with this trailer being the size that it is, we really want to maximize all of that empty space, all that square footage. I think our production team, the guys behind the curtains designing all this, did a really good job with how much counter space and how they laid out this kitchen. You've got a ton of counter space. You've got plenty of storage up underneath here. I mean, that goes back pretty far. You're going to be able to get pots, pans. In fact, you can get a trash can in there. And then you still have a couple drawers and then an empty cubby for extra cleaners or whatever it may be that you want to put down there.
This is a lower price point camper, but we still talk about quality when we talk about the drawers and the cabinets.
We do. And that's something that is really, really awesome that Jayco does, is we're not going to take a lesser material to try to save some money. We're going to keep the construction from this price point all the way up to our J Feather stuff, where we're going with real hardwood cabinetry and doors and the drawers as well. We have hidden hinges in this price point. You don't see that. That's a residential feature that a lot of guys aren't going to spend the money to put in this price point.
Still, this price point, still the signature Jayco warranty.
Correct. 2 + 3 year warranty. So 2-year limited warranty on everything in the trailer, and then your 3-year structural warranty.